Okay, welcome my viewers and my listeners. Okay, um, we want to look at the nucleus of a cell in this episode, right? Yeah, don't forget that we are still on biology. I mean, cell series. Okay, so when we look at the nucleus of a cell, both plant and animal possess nucleus. Okay, now we look at nucleus. Nucleus is just like the brain, the control center of a cell. All right. So in the nucleus, where are the what we call the chromatin fibers, okay, which actually you know they're intertwined to form what we call chromosome. Where the chromosome contains the DNA, which is the deoxyribonucleic acid, okay, where in which the DNA, in which the gene is being embedded, and the DNA is embedded in the chromosome. All right. Okay, so and in the cell, I mean in the nucleus, the nucleus has a cell membrane. Okay, nucleus has a cell membrane for plant and animal, right? So it has a cell membrane known as a nuclear. Sorry, nucleus has a nuclear membrane. Okay, not actually cell membrane. Or has a membrane, known as what? Known as a nuclear membrane. And then on this nuclear membrane is a pore, is an opening through which the nucleus exchanges material with the cytoplasm, okay, with the cell. Am I communicating? Then, but the cytoplasm of the nucleus, okay, the space in the nucleus is actually known as the nuclear plasm, okay, the nucleoplasma. Am I communicating? So, and one of the things I want us to talk about in the nucleus is that I think I spoken about is where I spoke about that is a control center, okay, because of its function is a control center. All right. Now, the last thing I want to talk about in nucleus is that the nucleus has another structure known as the nucleolus. Okay, the nucleolus does not have membrane. There's not a nucleolus. There's nothing like nucleolus membrane. No. So it has the nucleus has a nuclei. Okay, I mean nucleoli. Okay, which is known as nucleolus, right? In a singular form, the plural form of nucleoli. Okay, this nucleoli helps in synthesis of ribosome. Okay, or you can say it helps to produce ribosomal RNA. Okay, specifically the ribosomal transport RNA, which actually sends signal or transport materials, or send signal transport RNA rather. It transport the RNA to tell the ribosome to produce protein whenever the plant needs protein. Okay, let's look at for the next video. Thank you for watching.